Hello friends, welcome to my channel iChemistry. Today we are discussing stoichiometry. Firstly, what is the meaning of stoichiometry? The word stoichiometry is derived from two Greek words, stoichions and metrons. Stoichions means element and metrons means measure. The stoichiometry deals with the calculations of masses of the reactant and the product involved in a reaction. Any chemical reactions. The relation between the amount of reactant and the products is called stoichiometry. Means it's generally saying that the relationship between the amount of reactants and product is called stoichiometry. So there are some rules on basis of which we can calculate the stoichiometric calculations. The first one is write the balance equation. The second step is write the stoichiometric coefficient that shows the moles of the respective substance. After that, convert the moles into the required quantity. Fourth one, write the given data. Fifth, calculate the required information by unitary method. So these are the some general steps which are involved in all type of stoichiometric calculations. So on the basis of this we are solving some examples. So the first example is, what weight of carbon dioxide gas have evolved if the 3 gram of ethane burned in the presence of excess of air. So we start from ethane burns in the presence of air or O2 and produced CO2 and water. That means the chemical reaction is CH2C6 plus oxygen gives CO2 plus H2O. Now on the basis of the steps, firstly we have to balancing the above reactions. So after balancing the given reactions, it comes 2C2H6 plus 7O2, which gives 4 carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O. In smaller classes we have learned how to balance the reaction. Then from the stoichiometric of reactions, we have 2 moles of ethane is equals to 6 moles of oxygen. So we can write it 2 moles of C2H6 is equals to 7 moles of O2, and after that 4 moles of carbon dioxide is equal to 6 moles of H2O. That means 2 moles of C2H6 burns to produced 4 moles of carbon dioxide. 2 moles of C2H6 burns to produce 4 moles of carbon dioxide, and 1 mole of C2H6 gives 2 moles of carbon dioxide, because mole is a weight upon molecular weight. This is the formula. And after that 3 moles of C2H6 gives how much? According to questions, they are asking 3 gram of ethane is burned in the presence of air excess. So what is the weight of carbon dioxide? 3 moles of C2H6 equals to In the next step, 3 moles of C2H6 is equals to 2 moles of carbon dioxide, then 3 moles equals to 3 upon 30 equals to 0.1 mole by using this formula. Then 0.1 mole of C2H6 gives 0.2 mole of carbon dioxide. Therefore, weight of carbon dioxide produced is equals to the number of moles multiplied by molecular weight. So, number of moles is 0.2 and the molecular weight is 44. So, after multiplying this, we will get 8.8 gram. So, the 8.8 gram weight of carbon dioxide will be evolved during the So the next question is, calculate the amount of water in grams produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane. So on the basis of rule, we have to first balance the reaction. So the reaction is CH4 plus 2 oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus H2O. After that, first one, 6 gram of CH4 corresponding to 1 mole. 6 gram of methane correspond to 1 mole. After that, from the above reactions, CH4 in grams gives 2 moles of H2O. 2 moles of water H2O is equals to 2 into 2 plus 16, because this 2 is this one and 2 plus 16. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen multiplied by 2 and 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. After solving this, we will get 30 grams. Then 1 mole of water is equals to 18 gram H2O is equals to 18 gram H2O divided by 1 mole H2O, which is equals to 1. After that, 2 moles of H2O multiplied by this one, 18 gram H2O divided by 1 mole H2O. After solving this, we will get 36 grams of H2O. So on the basis of questions, 36 gram of water is produced during the combustion of 16 gram of methane.